If you want to resize your image in Photopea, whether it's for a website, social media post, or a print project, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest and safest way to do it. Resizing an image is one of the most useful skills in Photopea because it lets you control the final size, quality, and resolution of your file without needing complicated software. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Photopea tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your image inside Photopea. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting the image you want to resize from your computer. Once your file is loaded, look up at the top menu bar. This is where you'll find the resizing tools you need. To resize the entire image file, click on Image, then choose Image Size. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac. This opens the image size window, which is where you can change both the dimensions and the resolution of your image. Now, before you change anything, take a quick look at the chain link icon between the width and height values. Make sure it is locked. This is very important because it keeps the aspect ratio the same. In other words, it prevents your image from getting stretched, squished, or distorted when you resize it. If the link is active, Photopea will automatically adjust one side when you change the other. Next, decide how you want to resize the image. If you want to make it smaller for the web, you can enter a lower width or height. If you want a larger image for printing or a bigger display size, you can increase the values. You can also use the units drop-down to switch between pixels, percent, inches, or centimeters, depending on what your project needs. Pixels are best for digital content, while inches and centimeters are more useful for print. If you're resizing for screens, websites, thumbnails, or social media, a resolution of 72 DPI is usually enough. If you're preparing an image for high-quality printing, use 300 DPI for the best result. That resolution setting controls how sharp and detailed the image will be when printed. As you make changes, keep an eye on the preview and the file size details so you know exactly what your new image will look like. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to make a copy of your original file before resizing, just in case you want to go back later. Once you're happy with the new dimensions and resolution, click OK. Photopea will apply the changes immediately, and your image will now be resized based on the settings you chose. From there, you can save your file by going to File and then Export As or Save As, depending on the format you need. And that's it. You've now resized your image in Photopea the correct way, without stretching it or losing control of the quality. This method works great whether you need a smaller file for the web or a sharper file for print. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.